Want to take control of your money in 2024? The best way to do that is with the right personal finance app. Imagine having all your spending, saving, and investing in one place, making managing your money easier than ever before. In today's video, I'll show you the top personal finance apps for 2024 that will help you stay on top of your finances, no matter your goals. Stick around, you don't want to miss these. Introduction. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss tips that can transform your financial life. Today, we're diving into the best personal finance apps for 2024. Whether you're budgeting, saving for a big goal, or tracking investments, these apps will make it easier than ever to stay on top of your money. Let's jump right in. App 1. Mint. First up, we have Mint, one of the most popular personal finance apps out there. Mint is fantastic for budgeting because it connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts, tracking all your transactions automatically. You can categorize your spending, set up budgets, and even get alerts if you're about to overspend. Plus, it provides a quick snapshot of your financial situation, making it easy to manage everything in one place. App 2. YNAB. You need a budget. Next, we have YNAB, or You Need a Budget. If you're serious about taking control of your finances, YNAB is an excellent choice. It's designed to help you give every dollar a job, which helps you plan and save for what's important. The app uses a zero-based budgeting system, which means you assign your income to specific categories, like bills, savings, and fun stuff. It's perfect for those who want a more hands-on approach to managing their money. App 3. Pocket Guard. Moving on to Pocket Guard. This app is super easy to use and helps you track your spending without all the hassle. Pocket Guard shows you how much disposable income you have after accounting for bills and savings goals. It's like having a personal financial assistant in your pocket, helping you figure out how much you can spend without derailing your budget. Plus, it automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to keep track of where your money is going. App 4. Personal Capital. If you're looking to manage not just your spending but also your investments, then Personal Capital is the app for you. This app provides a detailed view of your net worth, tracks your retirement accounts, and helps you plan for the future. You can link all your financial accounts, bank accounts, investment accounts, loans, and get a clear picture of your financial health. Personal Capital also offers free financial planning tools, making it perfect for those who want to track long-term goals like retirement. App 5. Acorns. Next on the list is Acorns, which is perfect for anyone who wants to start investing without the complexity. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's an effortless way to get into investing, especially for beginners. Acorns also offers personalized portfolios based on your risk tolerance, so it's easy to get started, even if you don't know much about the stock market. Plus, the app offers options for retirement savings as well. App 6. Good Budget. If you prefer an envelope-style budgeting system, Good Budget is a great option. While it doesn't connect to your bank accounts, it allows you to manually track your income and expenses, just like traditional envelope budgeting. You can set up categories for your spending, plan ahead for big purchases, and even share your budget with family or friends if you're working on financial goals together. App 7. Zeta. Last but not least, if you share finances with a partner, Zeta is a fantastic choice. It helps couples manage shared expenses, track goals together, and set budgets for joint savings. Whether you're planning for a vacation, buying a home, or just keeping track of shared bills, Zeta makes it easy to stay on the same page and reach your goals together. Conclusion. So there you have it, 7 of the best personal finance apps for 2024 that will help you take charge of your money. Whether you're looking to budget, save, invest, or plan for the future, each app is unique. So choose the one that works best for your financial goals. And remember, the right tools can make managing your money a lot easier. Which app are you most excited to try? Drop drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. See you in the next video.